This is now the chord of do. Re, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the chord of re? Now, this is what you have as your re. So this is the re position. So instead of only having do, re, which is 1 key, you will now be playing this one in full. Do, re. You see now it's more solid, eh? So let's check mi, do, re, mi. So the chord, this is the key of mi. The chord of mi is this. So this is our mi. So which chord represents fa? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, fa. Which chord represents fa? So the chord of fa is simply this. So this is our fa. So instead of only playing fa, which is naked, this is our combination of fa. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The chord of so is this is our so. So we could play this, and we are going to play it soon. We'll play this do, re, mi, and you'll see how naked it is because it's just 1, 1. And then now we'll play the full chords of do, re, mi, fa, so. So we'll go to la. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our la, the full chord of la is yeah. So this is our la. Our T, you see, is a bit longer because our T is on the bar chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, notwithstanding, we want to have it from the start so that it is clearer. This is jam. So this is our T. It's just an extension of. So it's a bar chord. This is our T. And of course, we are back to do. So this is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now this is in the key of C. So this makes this C, D. Now this is D minor, E minor, F major, G, A minor, and B minor. So it is D, but this D is actually C. So now we are going to start by playing this, the solfa as they are. Then we'll go to the chords. This one is the solfa note. And then this now, these are the chords. And then this is the representation in the musical alphabet. This is the solfa notation. This is the chart, the chord, guitar chord chart. and then this is the music alphabet. So this is what we have. So now we'll go to the practical aspect of it. In order to fully benefit from the practical, it is good we explain these few points. One, please, these demonstrations are just for the major key of C major. If we are doing for the combination of, let's say, F, it will be different. For G, it will be different. For A sharp, A minor will be different. So please, the first point to note is that these combinations are for the key of C. Secondly, if you look at this first column in the table and the row, they have numbers written in the Roman numeral 1 to right to 7. Now, those numbers also represent the keys written on the second roll, like the C, D minor, F minor. They can also be represented by simply saying 1, 2, or the way we normally combine the C by saying C goes with F and G. We can simply, instead of saying C, we can just say 1, 4, and 5. It's another way of saying C, F, and G. So you see it in written music and they are used interchangeably. So you can decide to write C, F, and G, or write 1, 4, and 5. It's the same thing. Please share your comments so that we progress. Thank you. This our channel is purely for tutorials. It's not an entertainment where we play to make people feel happy. No, we are here to learn and so that we are able to play it. So please, as much as possible, to maximize this channel, write it, take note. Because if you are listening to a music to entertain yourself, you don't need to be writing. But if you are listening to it in order to learn and have maximum benefit, we encourage that you keep a notebook and you will benefit from it optimally. So thank you so much, and please do subscribe, share with your friends, and let's gather here and learn. Thank you so much. Please, if there's any particular topic that you need us to do something on in the next lesson, also indicate it in the comment. Use the comment section intensively. Thank you so much. And now we'll go to the practical. So we're going to take them one after the other. We'll display the key and then practice it. Then once we have mastered their positioning, then we now try to combine them. So this is the Do, which is our C. So this is our Do. So this is the Do. So this is the Re. You see the positioning. You can see the chart. Mi, which is our E minor. Okay, that's our E minor. Then F. So this is our F. You can see it, which is our Fa. Then So with the pinky finger. Then the same position in fret 3, but with the finger 3. You can see this our So. La is our A minor. This is our A minor. A minor, which is the La. And then on the same position, A minor, B. So La, T. Practice them again one after the other and see which of the chords you have. And then if there's anyone that you have a challenge with, just write on the comment section so that I'll give you practical steps on how to master each of the chords. Thank you. We'll try combining them. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, do, so, la, ti. See you in the next lesson, and we focus on playing.